Grammarly is an AI-powered writing assistant that helps you improve your writing by checking for grammar, spelling, and style errors. Whether you're drafting emails, blog posts, academic papers, or social media content, Grammarly provides real-time suggestions to enhance clarity, coherence, and professionalism. The platform offers recommendations for better word choice, sentence structure, and overall readability. Getting started is simple. Create a free account at www.grammarly.com, install the browser extension, or use the desktop app. Grammarly seamlessly integrates with programs like Microsoft Word and Google Docs, making it easy to refine your writing wherever you work. The premium version offers advanced style suggestions, tone adjustments, and a plagiarism checker to ensure originality. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who wants to write more effectively, Grammarly is the perfect tool to elevate your writing. Try Grammarly today and take your writing to the next level.